I don't know. What the hell is that?
10 pounds of what's that? 8,500.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wow, you really let them on.
That's how fast it spins though, 85?
It was up there. He said it was around 85.
That's pretty quick for streets. Where the fuck did he go?
Yeah.
He's hiding.
Oh, he about to whip around the corner.
He almost hit that fucking snowbank.
You don't want to change it.
Can't go out of second gear. Can't go out of second gear.
He's not even in second, is he?
No, you just keeping it in first.
Oh, he's backing up again.
Was when I went from that corner to that corner.
Oh, you're driving this turd wagon?
Yeah, I drove it.
He about to do a U-turn. He about to do the fucking 360. Get it, bro.
That'd be great till he hits the wall. Yeah. Like right where I was sitting. I'm going home.
Yeah. I'm standing by the little pole right here.
I
wonder how good those brakes are.
He's done.
So when's he gonna let us